How do you fix Yunyun Syndrome rhythm psychosis game is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the general tab, launch options box, you want to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. And then you will need to open up your browser and go to this link, which is going to be in the description. Now, from this table here, you will need to download the 86 installer and the 64, both of them. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, you'll also need to check if your GPU has the latest drivers. If you have NVIDIA GPU, you will need the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, if you're running AMD, you can download the AMD software and check for the latest driver updates and install them. Now, all you need to do is open up Steam as admin, right click and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.